Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asma Ismahani BINTI Muhammad NASIR. My MATRIC number is 1181569, and today I will be presenting regarding of my research proposal. The topic that I chose for my research is learning Quran application for middle-aged and older adults. Alright, the first section is research gap. Technology has become a part of our life because nowadays everything that we do are using technology, and it will help our life easier when use it, especially for learning. This includes learning Quran in our daily life. As a Muslim, we should utilize this technology in pleasing Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and doing good deeds, such as learning Quran. We can find many learning Quran applications. However, most of these applications are designed for children. Learning Quran applications for middle-aged and older adults are still rarely implemented, whereas they are human beings who need to learn with the aim of achieving peace of life at the end of age, especially learn about religion. Yeah, they might have some obstacles in learning Quran at a late age, such as blurry eyes, limited movement, and shyness. So, I plan to develop a user-friendly learning Quran application for middle-aged and older adults to encourage them to learn Quran anytime and anywhere. Alright, now let us go further to the problem statement. Recently, the COVID-19 have occurred around the world, and all face-to-face activities need to be avoided. The best alternative to ensure that learning sessions are continuously uninterrupted is by online learning, which is the implementation of teaching and learning sessions through technology systems. At the same time, the number of requests from middle-aged and older adults to learn Quran properly is increasing to fill their free time at home. However, not many existed learning Quran applications that they can use to learn Quran properly. Learning Quran applications for middle-aged and older adults are not always easily implemented because some of them are not used in using the advanced technology such as smartphones. Thus, become a solution in designing and creating a user-friendly learning Quran application that was specially designed based on middle-aged and older adults' preference to help them to learn the Quran easily, anytime, and anywhere. Alright, now let us move to research objective and research questions. For the research objective, the main objective for this research are the first one, to design an interactive and user-friendly learning Quran application that is specially designed based on middle-aged and older adults' preferences. The second one is to identify the suitable and easier interfaces for middle-aged and older adults to learn the Quran. The third one is to develop an interactive and user-friendly learning Quran application that's specially designed based on middle-aged and older adults' preferences. For the research questions, this research aims to seek answer to these following questions. The first one is, what is the design of an interactive and user-friendly learning Quran application that's specially designed based on middle-aged and older adults' preferences? The second one is, what is the suitable and easier interfaces for middle-aged and older adults to learn the Quran? And the last one is, how to develop an interactive and user-friendly learning Quran application that's specially designed based on middle-aged and older adults' preferences. Alright, last but not least, I will explain about the methodology that used in this research. Research design that used in this research is design and development. And in this research, we use ADI model in the production of this learning Quran application. ADI model have 5 phases, which are analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. For the first phase, which is analysis phase, designer typically will review problems, goals and objectives, users need, characteristics that should be incorporated in the new system. To ensure that all work well, the designer must provide a schedule of work to complete it smoothly. For the design phase, the designer will identify the suitable information and content for learning Quran application according to middle-aged and older adults' preferences. For the development phase, the designer will develop a user-friendly learning Quran application for middle-aged and older adults according to the contents that were collected during the design phase. For the implement phase, the researcher will test the effectiveness of the application and fix any bugs or error during the user testing activity. All of the phases are very important in order to complete the application that the researcher wants to create. Thus, researchers need to be meticulous when conducting each of the activities in this RD model to develop a good application. Okay, so that's all for me. Thanks for lending your ears.